Hey, how's it going? This is Roger Cruz, Roger Cruz Marketing, and today this video is to help you set the settings for your member login page. So this is my website, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. If you're building a Wix site and you're still like in the beginning phases, or just trying to get to Wix, just do me a favor, click the link that says Wix in it underneath. That'll let Wix know that I helped you in your process here. And also, if you have any questions, you can also leave it right here on my site. If you have a question for us, right on the top. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Let's get into it. Let's set up if you have a member login, like right here. So let's go ahead and go into the login. Let that link real quick. Perfect. And it's going to ask me how do I want to log in, or if I'm going to sign up. Mine's set up so if you kind of already have a login, you can just log in. Let's just go to sign up. And you can set all these preferences yourself. All right, cool. So now we're going to go to sign up. We're going to sign up with email. Perfect. All right, I'm going to sign up admin at rogercruzmarketing.com. I'm not sure what that password is. We'll set a new one. And there's on my mouse. Sign up. Give it a second. All right. And as you can see, I'm automatically logged into my site. Just wanted to show you that works. See that? I'm in. So let me show you how I did that. So when you're in your editor, like we're in my site editor right now, let's go ahead and go to pages and then go to member sign up. Member sign up form default. And then we're in the settings for it here. So this is where you can do a couple of different things. You can have a default form, a custom form, and a few other things here. Social community, which means you can let people sign up with Facebook and Google, like if you saw on mine, if you noticed that. They have to join the community, check this defaults if you're going to start running a forum. You can put policies if you have that kind of site, like you need to set some kind of policies or terms of use. You can. I haven't used that in mine. I haven't pushed this part of my site too much. I'm still building content for my member area. And this is basically where everyone's question is. So how do you want to set it up is who can be a member, everyone, or people I approve. So just put everyone. And that way they can sign up just like I just did and automatically be a member. I had never signed up that admin email before until right now, and it was automatically a member. And then what do you want to have sign up, or what do you want to have show first when they go to sign in? So that's, have you noticed on mine, it had the existing member login. You can also make that a new member sign up. So this is the area where you do that. So just go to site menu in the left-hand menu bar, and then go to member sign up, and then click into here, and then you should be able to find what you need from here. Hopefully this answers your questions. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the link below, or you can put them right here on my website. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And don't be shy. Feel free to call the business at 407-558-2789. You can follow us on any of the social media channels, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. Really appreciate it. Twitter. And yeah, definitely, please, follow the video if you like this kind of information. Right now, I'm in the process of making lots of tutorials that'll show you commonly asked questions on Wix that are hard to find answers to, workarounds for common problems, um, and then basic tutorials for things that just so you can kind of get a good basic setup. So getting all those things in the making right now. If you start following us now, you'll be able to get that information first. And if you have any questions about your site, feel free, like I said, leave me a question, give me a link to your site. I'll take a look at it free of charge for you. Okay. Thank you so much.